Hi, in this video we will see how we can install multiple files from a font family uh, in Windows 11 in one go. For example, I have chosen this Intax Mono node font for my code editor, and I have downloaded the zip file. And this is the zip file which contains all the multiple files with different variations. For example, bold, light, click, and everything it have. And to install it, what we usually used to do was we used to double click each file and click install button. But this will take lots of time to install whole pack. So the better way to install all the files at once is to go to settings. Then we have to go to font, the font setting. Here we get a drag and drop options. So but before we drag and drop, we have to unzip this file. So I will click extract, go to desktop and create a new folder called font and select, and I will extract all the fonts in this folder. So then I will just close the zip file. This is the font folder which contains all the fonts. Then I will go to this installation page for the font, and I will click browse and install. And this is the font that I have just now extracted. I will select Control A. It will select all the fonts, and I will click choose fonts. Once I do this, you can see it started installing. And once it's installed, we can see it have installed the fonts in my Windows 10. So if you want to uninstall, you can just click and uninstall it. So this is the easiest way you can install any files in your Windows 11 PC.